Guys, KRS here. Today I'm going to cover Apple event which was held on September 15th. So without the further ado, let's get started. Apple named this event as a time file. In this event, some huge announcements were made by Apple. Number one was Apple Series 6. As we all know, Apple Series 6 saved lots of health and life of the people. And in Series 6, they announced blood oxygen monitoring sensor. This sensor is very useful. This feature is very useful in Series 6. Within a 10 seconds, you can see your blood oxygen. That's amazing. With this, they also announced some great features like when you are traveling or just climbing, you can see your feet, how much high you are. And other feature was emoji feature, which you can create our own emoji as we all know, but you can put it on your lock screen. So that's amazing. This 6 has the latest chip inside it, which Apple call it has S6 chip. It has the power of A13 bionic chip which we see on the iPhone 11 series. The performance in this will be amazing. They also launched some different band with Nike edition and with the leather that Apple called this new band as the solo loop band, which exactly fit on your hand. Amazing. There is also some new interfaces in Apple Watch, which amazing. We're talking about the specification, you will get OLED display, Apple chip, which I told you, and Bluetooth 5.0. Then after you will get the water resistance, and then after you will get ECG, heart monitoring sensor, blood oxygen sensor, watch OS 7, 32 GB internal storage, and rate sensor, 18 hours of battery life. The second product announced by Apple was Apple Watch SE. The specification of watch are same as Apple Series 6, but you have to make some compromise in this watch. As talking about the processor, you will get S5 chip. As in Series 6, you will get S6, and there is only heart rate sensor and no ECG and blood oxygen. This two watch comes in the Apple Red edition. In this, some type of part will donate to the charity. The other announcement were made by Apple Fitness. Due to these pandemic issues like COVID-19, some may not go to the gym or move outside, or some country may have lots of cases. So the fitness is very nice app which you can exercise at your home, and the pricing of is it's only pricing will be $9.99 for month, and for year you will get $79.99. Apple also announced the combo plan, which is Apple call it Apple One. In that you'll get all supports of just we can say Apple TV, then after arcade and fitness and cloud. The individual plan starts at rupees $20 per month. Then after family plan 20, and then after a premium category plan you'll get 30 per month. You will get more features in premium as compared to individual and family. Apple Watch are made up of 100% recycled aluminum, and in 230 Apple told percent gas free. So that's big announcement by Apple. Then after third was iPad mini. Actually Apple call it as an iPad 10.2. It has the A12 bionic chip which is very faster. You'll get 6 cores of CPU and 4 cores of GPU, means 40% of faster CPU and 2x speed in GPU. As talking about the specification, you'll get 10.2-inch Retina display and the Bluetooth support of 4.2. Then after talking about the memory, you will get 32 GB plus 3 GB RAM, and they have not include 64 GB. They directly jumped on 128 GB plus 3 GB RAM. Then talking about the main camera, it is only single camera as we can see in the image. It is of 8 megapixel and selfie camera is of 1.2 megapixel. Then after talking about the video quality, 1080p at 30 frames per second and front 720p at 30 frames per second. This iPad has the support of smart keyboard and also the support of Apple Pencil. The colors you will get is three: gold, space gray and silver. Then at last they made the announcement of Apple Ad 2020, which is the successor of Apple Ad 2019. The style look amazing of Apple Ad 2020, and this is the first iPad to having a 14 bionic chip, which is a 5 nanometer. One, we can say the first 5 nanometer chip announced by Apple. So the performance in it will be amazing. This iPad has the fastest A14 bionic chip. Why it is fastest? Because it is based on 5 nanometer. So the performance in it will be amazing. As talking about the processor, you'll get 40% faster CPU, 30% of fast GPU, and 2% boost in graphic performance. So all the things you do in it will be running smoothly and amazing. As talking about the specification, you'll get 10.9-inch liquid retina display. Talking about the variant, you will get 64 and 256 GB variant. They have not announced how much RAM they will use in it. Maybe I think 6 GB, because A14, talking about the camera, you will get main camera, means back camera at 12 megapixel, which is the same camera used in 11 series, and in front camera you'll get 7 megapixel. Then after you'll get no 3.5 headphone jack, and you'll get top mounted fingerprint scanner. I don't know if there is a support of the face ID. They will be also coming with iPad OS 14. OS 14 is announced today. And talking about the colors, you'll get space gray, silver, rose gold, sky blue, green. Support of Wi-Fi 6 and 20-watt Type C charger inside the box. Price of Apple Watch SE will be $299, and the pricing of Apple Watch Series 6 will be $400. This price I am telling is about GPS, not the price of cellular. I'll mention all the price in description. Then after, they also told that they will continue Apple Watch Series 3. The pricing of iPad mini or 10.2 will be around $30. It is of base variant. And then after, iPad Air 2020 will be priced at $600. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you like. Hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and click all for the notification. Share among your friends. Stay tuned.